What's the magic word?
Just give me my money. Dude, can you please shut up? Wait, listen. Just give me my money. Bro, stop. It's so annoying. Wait, listen to this. Just give me my money. Shut up! Shut up! Dude, is everything okay?
Blows up pancakes with mine.
Hi again, homies! Today we're gonna be cooking cupcakes! Come on, don't start! Back to what I was saying. We're gonna be making cupcakes! I kind of forgot! I thought you were the master focus bar. What? I never said that. Cosmo, I'm a baker! Okay. Let me check something! I think. That's how you had a boom. Done. You want Como? I put peanuts in them.
Chuckle nuts!
I am Bartleman.
Oh my god, look at what she's wearing. It's giving the Gap.
You mean the gap between your teeth?
Excuse me?
How about you worry about getting braces instead of worrying about what I'm wearing?
Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, look, she still listens to Avril Lavigne. Her music's so dead.
That like your grandma?
Excuse me?
That like your grandma, right?
Remember when you got rejected by Jake at the school dance?
Remember when your dad got rejected at the hospital for a new heart transplant?
Excuse me?
Yeah!
I was literally joking, like you seriously have no heart.
And neither will your dad.